Welcome back to our car review channel. This isn't the Ford Focus you remember, it's the rebirth of an icon. The 2026 Ford Focus Hatchback is here with a digital, futuristic, and premium touch that will change the way you look at compact cars. Let's get started. The front of the 2026 Focus is bold, crisp, and distinctly modern. The classic blue oval is gone, replaced by a fully illuminated Ford wordmark that stretches across a continuous LED light bar, signaling Ford's entry into the digital identity era. The LED daytime running lights are razor-thin and aggressive, with angular, cyber-inspired geometry that instantly commands attention. The grille is wide and trapezoidal, framed in deep gloss black, and finished with a multi-layer texture that gives the car a sense of depth and muscularity. Every angle is precise. Think of it as a fusion between Mustang Mach-E futurism and European executive car refinement. This isn't a compact hatchback anymore. It's a design statement that carries sports sedan confidence in a smaller, tighter form. From the side, the Focus takes on a sleek, fastback silhouette that blends aerodynamics with sculpted elegance. The roofline flows seamlessly into the tailgate, giving it a coupe-like stance, while the long, clean shoulder line emphasizes its athletic proportions. Flush door handles, tinted windows, and satin black accents along the side skirts all hint at aerodynamic precision. The large, multi-spoke alloy wheels, finished in gloss black with machined edges, fill the arches perfectly, giving the car a planted, performance-ready presence. There's a strong European flair here, almost reminiscent of the Audi A3 Sportback or BMW 1 Series, but with Ford's own muscular American twist. At the rear, Ford continues its new illuminated identity. The full-width taillight bar stretches seamlessly across the tailgate, punctuated by glowing Ford script lettering at the center, a perfect mirror of the front fascia. The tailgate surface is ultra-clean with confident geometric lines and subtle haunches that add width and presence. The rear diffuser, finished in matte black with integrated aero fins, gives it a sporty undertone without overstatement. When viewed in low light, those illuminated elements create a futuristic visual signature, one that feels unmistakably modern and electric. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like a tech lounge on wheels. The dashboard is dominated by a single, continuous digital display that stretches from the driver's side all the way to the passenger side. It's sleek, seamless, and beautifully integrated, reminiscent of what you'd find in a high-end concept EV. The steering wheel is minimalist with illuminated Ford badging, while the center console flows upward with touch-sensitive controls and a floating gear selector finished in piano black. Ambient lighting traces along the interior contours, bathing the cabin in soft blue light that feels futuristic yet calming. Materials are premium soft-touch leatherette, satin metal inlays, and precision stitching across the seats. This is not the budget compact of the past. It's Ford's way of showing that even a hatchback can be a design masterpiece. Although Ford hasn't officially revealed full specifications, strong indicators suggest this concept is built on a hybrid or fully electric architecture. Expect outputs around 180 to 250 horsepower for the plug-in hybrid versions, while the all-electric variant could exceed 300 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration should be brisk, likely under 6 seconds to reach 100 kilometers per hour for top trims, with a driving feel focused on stability and responsiveness. The car's wide stance and extended wheelbase give it a lower center of gravity, enhancing both handling and comfort, a clear sign Ford wants this Focus to compete directly with Europe's most refined compacts. The Focus name has evolved from a family hatchback into a digital performance compact. The 2026 concept is more than just design. It's Ford's declaration of a new era. Clean surfaces, illuminated branding, and integrated intelligence redefine how we connect with cars. The 2026 Ford Focus hatchback concept isn't just another compact car, it's a symbol of Ford's transformation in the electric era. With its futuristic design, advanced interior, and potential hybrid or EV powertrain, this is the Focus reborn for a new generation. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more next-gen automotive reviews, and let us know in the comments, is this the most futuristic Ford design ever?